Hello children, welcome to my YouTube channel Quick Learn with Vijisha. Today we will see class 6 practice set 15. In this we have to convert the fractions into decimal form. So let's see how to do the questions. Question number 1 is given as 3 upon 5 is equal to, here the answer is given as 10. And we have to convert this number into fractions. So let's see how to do this. Question is 3 upon 5. Now the denominator is converted as 10. So in 5's table 10 comes at which place? 2 times. 5 2s are 10. So in the numerator also you will multiply by 2. So what is the answer you are getting? 3 2s will become 6. Now it has become 6 upon 10. Always remember, for converting the fractions into decimal form, you should have 10 or 100 or thousands in the denominator place so that it becomes easy to convert. Now 6 upon 10, how you will convert this? What is the number in your answer is 6. Now 10 means how many 0 is there? Only 1 0. So you will put a decimal before one digit. So this is a single digit. Decimal, here nothing is there, so you will put a 0. Understanding children? Let's see the second question. 25 upon 8 is equal to 25 into upon 8. So already 125 is given in the denominator. So in the numerator also we will multiply with 125. Understanding children? Now you will get the answer as 25 multiplied by 125 will give you the answer 3125 upon 8 into 125 will give you the answer as 1000. Understanding children? Now we will put the decimal. So the answer is 3125. In this you have to put the decimal. How many zeros are there in the denominator? 3. 1000 has 3 zeros. So we will take 3 numbers back. 1, 2, 3. So your decimal will come here. So your answer is 3.125. Understanding children? Let's see the third question. Third question, 21 upon 2. Here it is given as 10. So 2 is been converted into 10. How many time it comes? 2 5s. The same way for numerator also we will multiply by 5. 21 5s will give you the answer as 105. Now it is in the form of 0. That means 10 is there. Now we can convert this. What is the answer? 105. We will put the decimal. Only 1 0 is there in 10. So only one digit from backward. So your decimal will come here. Understanding children? We'll see the fourth question also. 22 upon 40. This has been simplified as 11 upon 20 in the question. So we will use this 11 upon 20. Already in the question it is given as 11 upon 20 into 5. Here with 5 it has multiplied. So we will multiply with 5 in the numerator as well. Now 11 5s will become 55 and 25. Now coming for the decimal, your answer is 55. It has 2 zeros. So we will come 2 numbers backward. 1, 2. We will put a decimal over here and we will put a 0. So your answer is 0.55. Understanding children? The next type is convert the common fractions into decimal fractions. Fraction is given, we have to convert it. Like we have solved question number 1, we have to do question number 2 also. Let's see how to do this. First question is 3 upon 4. Now we have to convert this fractions in the form of 10 or 100 or 1000, whichever will be the nearest to that number. So for 4 we cannot make it as 10, we can make it as 100 by multiplying with 25. That means 425 will give you the answer as 100. Understanding children? So in the numerator also we will multiply with 25. So what is the value you are getting? 3 25s will become 75 upon 4 25s will give you 100. Now how to put the decimal? Your answer is 75. 100 has 2 zeros, so we will count 2 numbers backward. 1 2. Your decimal will come here and 0. So your answer is 0.75. Understanding, children? We'll see this second question. 4 upon 5. Now 4 upon 5. Now for 4 upon 5, the nearest number is 10. We have to convert it into 10 or 100 or 1000. I have already told you. Now for 5, the nearest number is 10. That means 5 2s will become 10. So in the numerator also we will multiply with 2. So what is the value you are getting? 8 upon 10. Now coming to convert it into decimal, we have to write 8. 10 has only 1 0, 1 digit, 0.0. So your answer is 0.8. Understanding, children? Same way you can solve the rest sums. Now let's see question number 3. It has given convert the decimal fractions into common fractions. Means decimal numbers are given and we have to write it into fraction form. Question number 1 is 27.5. This is very simple to solve. I'll tell you how. Without decimal, you need to write the number, that is 275. 2, 7 and 5. Now, after decimal, how many digit is there? Only one digit. So, one digit means the value will be 10. If 2 digits are there, then the value will be 100. If 3 digits are there, then the value will be 1000. So let's see question number 2 also, 0.007. Now in this, what is the digit? The main digit is 7, rest are zeros. Now how many digits are there after decimal? 1, 2, 3. So 3 means how much it will come as? 1000. Understanding, children? Hope you are understanding all the concepts for practice set 15. I have already done with practice set 14. Do check for that video also. And don't forget to share this video with your friends, like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you, students.